Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Wenger Rollerblade Swiss Army knife. And this is a kind of a cute little knife. It's relatively inexpensive, and you can find them nowadays like on eBay and that kind of place without a huge amount of difficulty. They run about 20 bucks or so. And it's kind of a neat little knife. Let's take a look at it. Alright, it's intended for working on rollerblades, I assume, based on the name and looking at the pictures. As you can see, there's a little tool right here. We don't have the carabiner, and so I was curious about this bottom piece. Bottom tool right here, and so apparently you use it in combination with the little wrench thing. All right, let's take a look at this. So first of all, no tweezers, no toothpick on either end, as you can see. So the first thing we have is we have this little contraption, which is like a little hex. I'm assuming to hold one of the sides of the screws for your rollerblade. You have the weird Wenger combi tool, and for comparison, here's a compact, Victorinox compact, also with the combi tool. There's a bit of a difference between the combi tools. Both of them have the super useful wire stripper hidden down there. So, and we have the knife blade. Now this is a 85 millimeter knife versus the Victorinox's standard 91 millimeter. As you can see, things are a little bit longer, and the blade here is a little bit wider, as is common on the Wenger versus the Victorinox. And then we got the tool. So with this comes out, and this comes off, maybe. There we go. This comes off, so you can use it to wrench this way, or you can use it to wrench this way. Give yourself a little bit longer wrenching. So, kind of an interesting little knife. I can see if you need to make some on-the-spot rollerblade repairs. I don't have any experience rollerblading, but it seems like if there were things you needed to fix on the go, the Swiss Army knife rollerblade knife wouldn't be a bad option. Anyway, let me know what you think. Does Wenger make some, or I'm sorry, did Wenger make some weird knives? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's any kind of knife or anything you'd like me to take a look at, let me know. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and hope you'll have an excellent day.